Okay, let's look at the ZStack. So we said ZStack allows us to stack things on top of each other. All right, so if I change this to Z like that, in fact, let's go ahead and run as it is right now. Save and run. Looks like we have a problem. So it says that spacing, extra argument pacing is being called, which is not allowed. Why is that? Well, the reason why is because we don't need spacing if things are actually stacked on top of each other, right? Makes sense. So that's why we're complaining here. And to make this disappear, we just get rid of it. And we can get rid of also the alignment and everything because we don't need any of that. So save this now and run. We should have no problem whatsoever. And look what's going to happen. Everything is on top of each other. That's exactly what a ZStack does. To make all of these a little bit more visible, I'm going to change all these texts. Let's say font. Let's change this one to sub, headline. This one dot, font. It's going to be dot, let's see, say headline. Okay, so that looks good. Let's save this and run. Very good. Still not helpful here. So what we're going to do actually is we're going to enclose all of these texts inside of different stacks. Right. We can actually stack stacks inside of stacks.